Welcome to the Bullitt County Health Department. My name is Rob Flaherty. I'm the Public Health Director here at BCHD. Come on in and learn a little about how we serve our community. One of the more common questions I get asked is, what is public health? What does a local health department do? In short, we do a tremendous amount every day. Our staff is working to build a safer and healthier community for our residents. In Kentucky, state law requires that every health department provides certain foundational and core services. Those include population health and community health, the investigation and tracking of communicable diseases, emergency preparedness and response, and the enforcement of public health laws and regulations. In addition, every health department provides services regarding WIC, the Women, Infants, and Children's Program, the HANDS program, and harm reduction. Now, while we may do things a little differently across the state, every department provides those same services. In addition, the law requires that at least once every 5 years, every local health department conduct a community health assessment to determine our local priorities. Bullitt County last did ours in 2022. From that assessment, we came up with 4 local health priorities. Those are strengthening and expanding resources, promoting and providing healthy choices, and addressing issues regarding substance abuse and mental health. Our staff works every day to provide programs and services to address these areas, both within our agency as well as working with our community partners. And now I'd like you to meet some of our team that will give you a little more information on our programs and services.
Hi, my name is Heath Stone. I'm the Environmental Health Director here at the Bullitt County Health Department. And the common question that we get in environmental health is, what exactly do you do at the health department? So there are a variety of programs that we're involved in environmental health. Primarily, we're known for food inspections in any food establishment. We're also known for the on-site sewage or septic system program, where we do evaluations of soil for septic systems, installation inspections. We help troubleshoot on complaints where failing systems are occurring, those kinds of things. But lesser known probably, we do a lot of activity regarding animal bites for rabies control. We inspect hotels and motels. We inspect tattoo places, body piercing, swimming pools, mobile home and RV parks, and a variety of other things.
Hi, I'm Rosie. I'm one of the nurses here at the Bullitt County Health Department. And on behalf of our clinical staff, I would like to share with you, the members of our community, some of the services that we provide. We provide STI and TB testing along with treatment, immunizations, dental varnish, and WIC. WIC services are geared towards those in the community who are pregnant or who may have children in their home from newborn to age 5. We are excited to announce that this year we plan on expanding our clinical services not only here at the health department, but also out in our community. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help.
Hi, I'm Liz McGuire, Director of Health Education with the Bullitt County Health Department. Health education plays a critical role in improving the community's well-being and promoting education and healthy practices across all ages in our community. Our health education department here in Bullitt County connects our citizens with available resources and provides education within our school district, CPR classes for our community partners, nutrition education, exercise program, and many, many more. So connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Hi, I'm Wendy Cowan. I'm the manager of the HANDS program here at the health department. We are a home visitation program for new and expecting parents. We teach you about your child's development from social, emotional, physical, brain development, and so forth. We also do developmental screenings to make sure your child is meeting their milestones. To reach us, call 502-955-5668.
Hey, I'm Chase. I'm the epidemiologist here at the Bullitt County Health Department. I think a great way to describe what I do is to consider me a disease investigator. And so what I mean by that is I investigate cases of reportable diseases here in the county. Reportable diseases and conditions are conditions that have a very high public health impact. So think Lyme disease, alpha-gal syndrome, these tick-borne illnesses, food poisoning, things like that. These are required by law for health care providers to report to us at the health department. And they do that because these essentially require constant surveillance to be, to ensure that an outbreak doesn't occur. If you're getting food poisoning, maybe it's from a specific restaurant, we want to look into that. We also are interested in tracking disease trends. So think flu, for example. If we have what we consider a bad flu season, the reason we know that is because we've been tracking the flu in years past, and we can consider if our current flu has way more cases than we were expecting, then we know that we probably have a bad flu season, and that's because we've been tracking and analyzing the trends. So that's what I do as an epidemiologist here, and I appreciate you listening. Thanks.
Haley Barr, and I'm the program manager here at Bullitt County Health Department. I specialize in mental health education, where we spread awareness and provide many programs and events for the county. I also assist in coordinating the mental health work group, where our mission is to advocate for all aspects of mental health. I also manage the harm reduction program, and that is one thing I love about my job so much, is because mental health and harm reduction tend to go hand in hand. Harm reduction aims to reduce the negative impacts of drug use and policies through various programs, services, and resources. We provide naloxone, also known as the life-saving medication, fentanyl testing strips, community trainings, and so much more. Overall, our goal is to ensure that another life is not lost due to an overdose.
Hi, I'm Cherie, and I'm the preparedness coordinator for the health department here. Some really awesome things that I do here is help prepare, respond, and recover from public health emergencies. A really great example of that is the recent April of 2025 flooding that happened to our county. Some things that we did is help prepare with plans, our emergency plans. We put those into effect, and to help respond is partnering with our community partners like the emergency managers. We gave out vaccinations in our mobile clinic to the affected communities, as well as PPE, which is things like gloves and masks. To help recover, we create after action reports, and we help revise those original emergency plans to help in future events.
Thank you so much for your interest in the Bullitt County Health Department services that we provide. To stay connected, please feel free to follow us on our website, our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X page.